Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do this question paper. It's a paper that was written in 2018 International IGCSE Physics paper 1. So most of the questions that we're going to do, we'll get them from this paper. If you want me to send you the link of this paper, just leave a comment on the comment section. Please remember to like and subscribe. Good. Right guys, let's try to do this question. It's a space physics question. Alright, let's start here. 0.3 or question 3. The earth orbits a star called the sun. Yes, it's true. So we have a situation whereby we have the star here, our sun, and there's the orbit around it, and the earth is here, and the other planets according to the order. So we know that the earth will orbit around the sun. Okay, good. Of which we do understand the question. Is quite easy and simple to follow and to understand. So guys, let's check here now. Question 3.1. Stars form when dust and gas. Yes, there are two common gases. There's hydrogen gas, hydrogen, and also another one is helium. We know that helium is a noble gas, are put together in space. Then the question says, what force causes the dust and the gas to be pulled together? Obvious is gravitational force. Some people will just write gravity. It's fine, that's acceptable. You can write gravity, you can write gravitational force, but the most accurate one is gravity. So someone will ask Mr. Nelson, what's the difference between gravity and the force? Just if you think there's a difference, or if you think there's not different, just write on a common question on the comment section and tell us. Alright, name the process that release energy in the main sequence. Good. Here I want you to be careful on this question. Okay, the answer for this one is fusion. It's nuclear fusion. In fact, it's nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion. A lot of people, they make a mistake and they say it's fission. They write like this: fission, of which it's wrong. Why I am saying it's wrong? It is because when we talk about nuclear, let's start with nuclear fusion. I just want to make a clarification here. Nuclear fusion is when we have two light nuclei. For example, let us use hydrogen. They joined together to form a heavy nuclei. Two light nuclei joined together to form a heavy nucleus of helium. This is fusion. And during this process of joining together, energy is released, and that's where the main sequence star is involved here. The process that involves the main sequence star. And now let's say we talk about fission. Fission is when you have a heavy nucleus splits. For example, in elements such as uranium and plutonium, this nucleus splits into light nuclei, daughter nuclei. They also call them daughter nuclei, of which they are roughly the same in size, or they roughly have the same size. So with fission, this is fission. With fission, a heavy nucleus splits into two nuclei, or into two daughter nuclei. But with fusion, two light nuclei joined together to form a heavy nucleus. That's fusion. Good. I hope you guys can now be able to differentiate between the two. Right, let me check this one. Good. Then let's continue. This one is nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion. Next question, it says, why is the main sequence star stable? Why is the main sequence star stable? It is because the forces are balanced, meaning that, let's say this is our main sequence star. There is gravity that is acting inwards. Therefore, there will be some forces, reaction forces, so the force that responds due to gravity, and they will be acting outwards like this, to resist the effect of the gravitational attraction, or to resist the effect of gravitational force. So you can see these forces, they are balanced in the main sequence star. So basically the answer is because the forces are balanced. My handwriting is bad. Forces are balanced. No, this is bad. Let me start from scratch. Forces are balanced in a main sequence star. Forces are balanced in the main sequence star. Let's go to the next question. This question says that in another part of life cycle, stars form elements such as carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen. Then the question is, which type of star forms these elements? This is very, very important. It is the red super giant. 0.35. A supernova occurs when a large star explodes. Yes. Complete figure 3, of which this is figure 3, to show what remains after a supernova. Good. So basically what remains, supernova, after supernova we know we have what called a neutron star. Neutron star, and who want to guess? And a black hole.